Moroccan KFC.
Moroccan KFC, Myda. Welcome back to Myda Place to Win. So today we're going to go on an adventure. Basically, we're going to go get food, right, East? So we're going to go show you guys street food in Marrakesh, in the Medina. You want to get food?
Yes.
Can you get a smoothie? You're confused about what?
Welcome family, ça va? How are you? This orange juice is best one, fresh. Oh, orange.
Epa!
Welcome.
I love handling. You get it? Oh!
Yeah.
No! No, I still love.
Serious.
Love.
Marrakesh.
Hello, excuse me.
Yeah. Baby! Isa! It's really hot, y'all.
Caso del dueño, en árabe, en inglés, en español.
We can save some for her. So this is what we're having for lunch, guys. Moroccan salad and sausage panini. Yeah, and some fries. It's really good, actually. It all tastes Mediterranean stuff. And when you're here eating, people are gonna come up to you and ask for you to buy stuff. But you just say no. No problem. Like that, right there. Okay, let's dig in. Booty, rocking everywhere. Yeah, but she don't know. Just put on me. Just put on me. Okay. Ooh, that golden light, Myda.
So it's round two, y'all. We back in this
All right, y'all, we back. Back again for dinner. Lisa's choking on ice cream. Are you good? That's bien. Drama. So we're back at it again for dinner. This time we're trying skewers, mixed skewers, beef and lamb with fries, which are chips, and then Moroccan salad. Gang. Stay hydrated, y'all. Bahia sponsor us. But yeah. So traditionally they give you bread. If they don't, then they lame. Shit, dope. Hey. So Myda, how many people took pictures of us today?
Not 10, 2, but
Too many.
no way.
Too many.
Too many.
And everybody be offering you to marry them. No, I'm good. I'm good on it.
Mary?
So, oh boy tried to juke us and give us 2 orders of each. Make us pay $180. No. We didn't buy a drink. That's how you know we's on the first bite. Chuchi, ¿tú quieres? Come. I'll tell you what you ordered. I think this is sausage, this is lamb, and I don't know this is kefta, beef. She's behind. She's on the way. Where's my daughter? Okay. Chuchi. You can take a picture. No, Chichi, wait. No, espera. ¿Todos?
Thank you, sister. Welcome, Morocco.
Just picture. You look nice.
Just.
Wow. Barack Obama.
Obama.
Ay, qué coño.
Obama. Como assim?
Dile cheese. Oye, es un video. YouTube.
It's no better friend. It's no better friend. KFC. Moroccan KFC.
Moroccan KFC, Myda. You want juice? I go get you juice over there. We got drink. Say hi, YouTube.
Number. Sorry, excuse me. Number 10.
Ah, number 10.
Yeah.
Okay. If y'all ever come to Morocco, number 10. Oh.
How many camels?
How many camels?
Very good.
Lot of?
Lots of camels?
I know you are expensive.
I'm good. Thank you.
We had
I guess you can do it upstairs.
And
Like, ooh.
we had we had to do what we did.